Okay, somebody give me a quick recap of what we did last class. Summary. Shantanu, Shubham, Ishana. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone.
Ma'am,
Give a
Shubham या नहीं?
anyone. Whatever you will leave, Shubham will add or Ishana will add. Come on, fast.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in last class we study about Goa and its bread. It tells about bread business and its popularity in Goa. Bread making started from the rule of Dutch. They loved to eat breads. Bread making is a act which needed perfection, mixing, molding, and other special characteristics. In this, author says about his childhood days, how he met the bakers and and collect and eat different
हेलो
type of.
दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस चैनल में टीएसजी लैब। और आज का चैप्टर
One
है
minute,
कुर।
1 minute.
उम्मीद है आपको आज की एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छी लगेगी और
Hmm.
Yes, I'm start करूँ?
Hmm.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Continue.
The bread maker visited the author's place twice a day, one in the morning during his selling hour, and again returning after selling bread. Popularity of bread bangles are most popular in Goa. After means it is important of the breads are very important in festivals such as the traditional marriage ceremony, and the sandwich were prepared in engagements. Uh, the dresses of bakers is called as kabi or a frock which long as his knee, or a shirt and half pant. Bakers were also known as padders. Ma'am, that much.
Okay. Shubham or Ishana, anybody wants to
Ma'am,
add anything else?
ma'am,
Hmm.
could
no,
I
ma'am.
add?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the dress of the baker was known as kabai, and during the
Bye-bye.
childhood days of author, the baker used to wear shirt and trousers. The trouser used to be of the length more than half pants and lesser than the full pants. And at the end of the month, they used to collect the bills, and the bill used to be written on the walls of the house with the help of a pencil. Yes, ma'am, this much. The last portion.
Okay. Okay. Shubham, very good.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Shubham,
I
you want
don't.
to add anything?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
another
I'm full
Okay.
completed
So
both.
ma'am, another
full
point.
completed. Okay. हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, all bakers are also known as have a different type of appearance, such as jackfruit. As at that time, bread making was very profitable, and the bakers collected his payment at the end of the month.
Ma'am,
That
I'll
Ishana
correct
said,
his.
but
I'll
say
correct
clearly
his
about the
sentence.
jackfruit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Correct his sentence.
please.
I'll.
हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am,
Correct.
the bakers were means the bakers were looking like jackfruits, very fat, like that, because they were
Yes. Yes.
very rich.
Yes, ma'am. They had a jackfruit-like physique, which indicated that they were prosperous and happy. And the person who
Yes.
looked a bit fat were considered as padders.
Ma'am, another point.
Yes. Hmm.
Ma'am,
You're
bread
looking at the
making
book
is
and telling me points or what?
no, ma'am. Ma'am, धड़ास के ना मन पड़नी means ଟିକେ time ଲାଗୁଛି ଏମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Oh,
ତାପରେ
धड़ास
ଧଡାସ
किना.
କିନା
अच्छा अच्छा.
ma'am,
धड़ास
bread
किना मनो
making
पड़ती
is
शांतनु को.
still
Okay.
popular in Goa for the bread making is still popular in Goa, but the eater had gone away, leaving the makers behind.
What?
Ma'am,
I
bread
could
making
not
is also
understand.
ma'am, bread making is still popular in Goa, but the eater had gone away, leaving the makers behind.
What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, because the time of the foreigners the foreigners like to eat bread, but now India become independent and they had already gone. But the generation of bakers are still in Goa who are making bread, so Goa is still also popular for its
Okay.
bread.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
he said the
Okay, so the
opposite.
legacy is going. Yes, yes. Okay. ठीक ଅଛି. You want to correct Ishana?
Yes, ma'am. The tradition is still now going on. That means the makers are still existing, but the eaters have vanished. So he told the opposite of that. Ma'am,
Yes.
and he told
Okay.
that it originated from Dutch, but it's given that it originated from the
It is
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. The Portuguese people have, when they
Started
ruled
the
Goa,
tradition.
that
Yes,
is when
ma'am.
the bread making. Yes. So Dutch nahi. Okay, Shantanu.
मैं डच କହିଲି ନି
Very good, three of you. Huh?
ମୁଁ ଡଚ୍ ମୁଁ କିଛି
Ma'am, he said
ଡଚ୍ ହିଁ ମେନସନ କରିନି ମୁଁ ୟୁରୋପିଆନ ବୋଲି
Dutch.
କହିଦେଲି
You mentioned ମୁଁ ଅବି ଯଦି ଇଶାନା ଧରି ନଥାନ୍ତା ଡଚ୍ କଥାଟା ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ହିଁ କହିଥାନ୍ତି ଅବି ତମେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୁଁ
କହିଲ ଡଚ୍
ୟୁରୋପିଆନ
ବୋଲି
କହିଦେଲି
you can go through ହଁ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଭୁଲ
ନାଇଁ
ୟୁରୋପିଆନ
ଡଚ୍ କହିଲ
नो मैम
ଆରେ
मैम क्लियरली मना ମୁଁ
you can
ୟୁରୋପିଆନ
go through
କହିଦେଲି
you can go through the recording the first part of recording Soma ma'am are you there Soma
yes ma'am
ma'am can be fair enough
Good afternoon.
मैम
Good afternoon, ma'am.
मत ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣ
Didn't
ଏଇଟା
he
କହିଲେ ମୁଁ
say-
ଏଠି ୟୁରୋପିଆନ କହିଦେଲି
Maybe
Didn't
on
he say
Friday
Dutch?
we'll have a small discussion on Friday after everybody
Yes.
going to the
starting
all
ରେ
record.
starting ରେ that mistake ଥିଲା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଡଚ୍ କହିଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଖିଣା ମୁଁ ୟୁରୋପିଆନ କହିଲି
European
ସେଇଟା
भी
ମୁଁ-
कहना तमे foreigners कहला you
Yes,
did not
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
know what to say Portuguese or Dutch or Europeans or whatever
Se-
but you said foreigners you did not say Europeans also
ସେଥିଲାଗି କୁହା ହଉଛି ଯେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ରହି ରହିକି ଭାବି ଭାବିକିରି ୱାର୍ଡ ୟୁଜ କର ତରତର ହୁଅନି
Right.
ହେଲା
Shantanu
Watch
wants
your
to run
words.
PT Usha
Watch your words
Ma'am, you can
before you
ask
say.
Shubham. He said that. Yes, ma'am.
I know he said that I'm listening
Yes, ma'am. He
I'm
said.
attentively listening and I know I was just that is why I kept on asking Shubham and you to that you want to correct something or you want to add on something ଯଦି ଡଚ୍ ଟା ଧରି ନଥାନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ଅବି କହିଥାନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା okay anyways three of you well done
ସରି ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ହଁ ନାଇଁ it's okay ଭୁଲ ହେଲେ ହିଁ ତ ତମେ ଶିଖିବ ନା it's good
yes ma'am.
it's good that you make mistakes and the other two your friends they correct you and then you have a discussion that's good actually ସେମିତି ହିଁ
everybody
rapport
is
build ହୁଏ
attentive at least
yes that is the main main focus
Motto.
of having a discussion and having a recap yes motto thank you for the word Shubham Kaila
Yes, ma'am.
okay we'll go to the second part what is the second part about which part of India is
Kurg.
Kurg.
Kurg anybody has visited Kurg
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
we know about
no
that
okay ठीक ଅଛି let me know if it is all it is visible and it is clear okay
हेलो
Maybe it is famous
दोस्तों
for
स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस चैनल में टीएजी
हाँ,
लैब
कौन
और
कहला?
आज
ma'am is it famous for coffee
yes and it is a very beautiful place very very
के
beautiful
चैप्टर है
place.
कुर्ग उम्मीद है आपको आज की एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छी
Audible?
लगेगी और अच्छी लगी तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब
सुना
शेयर
जाऊँ जी?
जरूर करना
Yes,
और
ma'am.
खास करके घंटा दबाना ना भूलना क्योंकि आगे से आने वाली सारी नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंचेगी और आप एनिमेटेड वीडियोस तुरंत देख सकेंगे विथ फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन तो चलिए आज का चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं दोस्तों यहाँ पे राइटर हमारे बोल रहे हैं कि कुर्ग एक कॉफ़ी कंट्री है पर मैं पहले ये बता दूँ कि कुर्ग कोई कंट्री नहीं है बल्कि ये एक जगह है जो कर्नाटका में लाई करता है तो यहाँ पे कभी कभी क्वेश्चन पूछ देता है कि भला राइटर क्यों बोल रहा है कि कुर्ग एक कॉफ़ी कंट्री है तो राइटर इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि कुर्ग एक कॉफ़ी कंट्री है क्योंकि वो बताना चाह रहे हैं कि कुर्ग जो जगह है वो दूसरी जगह है और जो कूर्ग है वो किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है? तो दोस्तों कूर्ग जो है स्पाइसेस के लिए फेमस है और रेन फॉरेस्ट के लिए फेमस है। स्पाइसेस मतलब जो हम अपने खाना में मिलाते हैं वो स्पाइसेस, वो वाले स्पाइसेस, ठीक है। तो अब राइटर बोल रहे हैं कि कूर्ग जो जगह है वो मैसूर और कोस्टल टाउन ऑफ मैंगलोर के बीच में लाई करता है। और कूर्ग कूर्ग जो है वो एक पीस ऑफ हेवन टाइप का है, यानी कि स्वर्ग टाइप का है। और कूर्ग जो है एक लगता है, राइटर को लगता है कि कूर्ग कोई गॉड ऑफ किंगडम के गॉड से टूटा हुआ एक पार्ट है। बेसिकली यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि कूर्ग का दूसरा नाम कोडागू भी है, और जो कि लाई करता है कर्नाटका में, जो मैं आपको बता दिया। और ये जो एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट है कूर्ग के अंदर वो बेसिकली 30% है। कूर्ग के अंदर 30% ऑफ लैंड है वो है एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट। कूर्ग वैसे बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है, पर मानसून में काफ़ी कम लोग कूर्ग को विजिट करते हैं, क्योंकि ये एक एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट है और यहाँ पे इसलिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अमाउंट में बारिश होती है। पर अगर आप सितंबर से मार्च तक इसे विजिट करते हैं इस जगह को, तो ये काफ़ी परफेक्ट और जॉयफुल जगह है आपको विजिट करने के लिए। कूर्ग में जब आप ब्रीथ करेंगे तो आपको ये लगेगा कि आप कॉफ़ी को स्मेल कर रहे हैं। और कूर्ग जो जगह है वहाँ पे कॉफ़ी स्टेट्स और कॉलोनियल बंगलोज, मतलब काफ़ी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ घर बने हुए हैं, कॉफ़ी रखे हुए हैं घर के अंदर। और कॉलोनियल बंगलो मतलब पुराने स्टाइल के बंगलो है वहाँ पे कूर्ग में। और वो सब बंगलों का जो छत है वो बेसिकली ट्रीज ऐसा शेप ले लिया है कि वो छत बन गया है। अब यहाँ हमारे राइटर को लग रहा है कि ग्रीस और अरेबिया से आए हुए लोग कूर्ग में बहुत ही ज़्यादा मात्रा में हैं। तो यहाँ पे वो एक एग्जाम्पल भी दे रहे हैं कि अलेक्जेंडर जब कई सालों पहले हमारी हिस्ट्री में अलेक्जेंडर जब कई साल पहले हमारे इंडिया आए थे, उनके साथ साथ काफ़ी लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ आर्मी भी आई थी, काफ़ी सारी आर्मी आई थी, और जो कि वापस नहीं जाने पाई थी अपनी कंट्री। तो वो लोग आके हो सकता है साउदर्न पार्ट में जब वो लोग रुके थे तो काफ़ी लोग हो सकता है कि वहीं पे सेटल कर गए हो, ऐसा राइटर को लग रहा है। अब राइटर को लग रहा है कि वो लोग जब वहाँ पे जाके सेटल हुए होंगे, अलेक्जेंडर और उनकी आर्मी जब उस एरिया में जाके सेटल की होगी कूर्ग में, तो वो लोग वहाँ पे लोकल्स मैरिज कर लिए होंगे, लोकल में मैरिज किए होंगे और वहीं पे जाके सेटल हुए होंगे और उन्होंने अपना डिफरेंट कल्चर बनाया होगा। और अगर हम उन्हें नॉर्मली भी देखें तो वो बेसिकली पहने रहते हैं एक लॉन्ग ब्लैक कोट। और अगर हम उन्हें कंपेयर करें नॉर्मल हिंदू रिलीजन से तो उनका स्टाइल बहुत ही डिफरेंट है। अगर हिंदू मेन स्ट्रीम को देखें, हिंदू रिलीजन को देखें, तो वो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है। बेसिकली कूर्ग को हम कोडागो भी कहते हैं, मैंने आपको बताया था। तो कोडागो में रहने वाले लोग यानी कि कूर्ग में रहने वाले लोग को कुडावूज भी कहा जाता है। तो जो कुडावूज होते हैं हम उन्हें कैसे कह सकते हैं कि वो अरेबिया से आए हुए लोग से मिलते हैं। यहाँ पे तो राइटर बता रहे हैं कि कुडावू जो हैं वो लोग ब्लैक कोट पहनते हैं और साथ ही साथ एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बेल्ट पहनते हैं जो कि मिलता है अरब पीपल्स से। दोस्तों मैंने आपको बताया था कि कूर्ग के जो मेन थे वो काफ़ी लड़ाकू स्वभाव के थे। उन्होंने अपनी पास्ट में काफ़ी सारी लड़ाइयों में, वार्स में हिस्सा ली थी। तो इसलिए वो अपने ग्रैंडसन को, बेटों को या फिर ग्रैंडसन को ये कहानी सुनाया करते हैं और इसे टेल्स ऑफ वेलोर भी कहा जाता है वहाँ पे, कि वो जब लड़े थे तो वो कैसे लड़े थे वगैरह वगैरह उसकी कहानी। और कूर्ग के जो लोग हैं वो काफ़ी हॉस्पिटेबल स्वभाव के हैं, यानी कि वो काफ़ी वेलकमिंग स्वभाव के हैं। वो अपने मेहमान के बहुत अच्छे से सेवा सत्कार करते हैं, वेलकम करते हैं। और कूर्ग के जो लोग हैं वो काफ़ी हाई पोस्ट, आर्मी के हाई पोस्ट में हैं। और इवन कि कूर्ग में जो नॉर्मल लोग हैं वो लोग अलाउड है, वो लोग फायर आर्म्स कैरी करने का उनके पास लाइसेंस है, वो लोग नॉर्मली बंदूक लेकर चल सकते हैं। काश यार ये मुझे भी अलाउ हो जाए। चल कोई नहीं, अपना टाइम आएगा। हमारे इंडियन आर्मी के फर्स्ट जो चीफ ऑफिसर थे वो थे जनरल कुरियप्पा, जो कि एक कूर्गी थे। दोस्तों आपने एक नदी का नाम सुना ही होगा, कावेरी। वो कूर्ग से ही ओरिजिनेट करती है। और एक जगह है महासीर, वहाँ पे लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर फिश पाए जाते हैं और वो भी कूर्ग में ही लाइक करती है। अब हमारे राइटर बता रहे हैं कि जो कावेरी नदी है उसके आसपास हमें ग्रेट डाइवर्सिटी देखने को मिलती है, यानी कि बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। तो यहाँ पे हमें एक दिखने के लिए एक बर्ड मिल रहा है जिसका नाम है किंग फिशर, जो कि डाइव लगा रहा है मछलियों को पकड़ने के लिए। दूसरा हमें स्क्वेरल देखने को मिल रहा है जो कि फ्रूट्स को पेड़ से गिरा रहा है वाटर में, ताकि वो वाटर स्प्लैश का मजा ले सके। वाटर स्प्लैश मतलब वाटर की, पानी के छींटे का मजा ले सके। स्क्वेरल भी ना काफ़ी शरारती स्वभाव का होता है। और हमें वहाँ पे एलिफेंट भी देखने को मिल रहा है जो कि नहा रहे हैं और स्क्रब कर रहे हैं। स्क्रब कर रहे हैं, साबुन वाबुन लगा के नहा रहे हैं क्या? नहीं नहीं यार, यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि माहूस जो एलिफेंट के केयर टेकर है वो एलिफेंट को नहला रहे हैं। वही मैं सोच रहा था कि एलिफेंट खुद से कैसे नहाएंगे, वो भी स्क्रब करेंगे। माहूस आपको पता है ना क्या है? माहूस जो होते हैं एलिफेंट के ऊपर बैठ के जो आते हैं आदमी, वो जो एलिफेंट को केयर टेकर होते हैं वो लोग को माहूस कहते हैं। अब हमारे राइटर बोल रहे हैं कि अगर कूर्ग में कोई ट्रेकर जाना चाहते हैं, यानी कि जो ट्रैकिंग व्रैकिंग करते हैं वो लोग जाना चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिए वो बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है, क्योंकि वो एडवेंचर करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है। वहाँ पे राफ्टिंग होता है, रिवर राफ्टिंग होता है, रैपलिंग होता है, रॉक क्लाइंबिंग होता है, माउंटेन बाइकिंग होता है और वगैरह वगैरह काफ़ी एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटीज़ होती है कूर्ग में। इवन कि न्यूमरस काइंड ऑफ वॉकिंग ट्रेड्स भी होता है। यार मैं कभी ना कभी यहाँ जरूर जाऊँगा, पर अगर ये जगह मुझे पसंद नहीं आया तो भाई मैं राइटर के घर में कॉल लगा के पता नहीं उसे क्या क्या बोलूँगा। वैसे मुझे नहीं लगता ये भैया जी अभी जिंदा होंगे, पर इनके पोते पर पोते तो होंगे, उन्हें तो कॉल लगा के बहुत सुनाऊंगा। और अगर मजा आया तो कुछ नहीं, ट्रीट दूंगा इनके पोते पर पोते को। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब राइटर बोल रहे हैं कि अगर आप वहाँ पे ट्रैकिंग करने जाएंगे तो आपको वहाँ पे बर्ड्स, बीज, बटरफ्लाइज आपको कंपनी देगी, आपकी मदद करेगी, आपके साथ चलेगी। और इवन की मैक्यूज, मेलेबर स्क्वेरल्स, लंगूर्स एंड स्लेंडर्स लॉरिस वो आपको देखते रहेगी। इनकी फोटो मैं आपको स्क्रीन में दे रहा हूँ, आप इसे देख लीजिए। हाँ, पर मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप वाइल्ड एलिफेंट से दूर रहें, ऐसा पोएट कह रहे हैं। वैसे जो काम आदमी मना करता है करने को, वो काम करने में काफ़ी मज़ा आता है। चलो देखता हूँ क्या होता है। मैं प्लान तो कर रहा हूँ। मम्मी टिकट कटा लो क्या इधर कुर्ग का? हाँ हेलो, सुनते हो?
Okay. You got an idea about Kurg?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you gone through the chapter at least?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a summary, glimpses of India, Kurg. Okay. So Kurg is a story. It's not a story, but of course it is. It is in reality also. There's a place called Kurg.
True story.
Okay. And it was written by Lokesh Abrol. Okay. He has described Kurg as the smallest district of Karnataka. The author said Kurg or Kodagu. Even Kurg is also known as Kodagu. It's a beautiful place and it is located midway between
Ma'am,
Bangalore
actually,
and Mysore.
Kurg. No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
What happened?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. The heavenly city has evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantations, and many tourists throng to this destination during September to March every year. The air of this region is filled with coffee scent. The people of this region are very independent and have some Greek or Arabic connection since the time a part of Alexander's army had settled here permanently. They settled here and married the local people, and the tradition continues to exist. The people of Kurg wear kupia, which is a long black coat that is quite similar to the ones worn by Arabs. Besides, the Korgi people are very brave. One of the most significant regiments in the Indian Army is the Kurg Regiment. Notably, the first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Army was General who?
General Cariappa.
Karippa.
Cariappa. Yes, who hailed
Ma-
from this beautiful place. The hilly regions and forests of Kurg are a major source of water to the Kaveri River, Visitors who are interested in high adventure sports like trekking, in the video he mentioned, okay, can have fun and frolic time in this place and also explore the different types of animals particularly found in this region. Animals, Bisara, I don't know really, but Coorg that I had visited some 2 to 3 years back, it is a very beautiful place. Everything that is written here is 100% cent% correct. Okay, it is a very beautiful place, lot of greenery. It is like it is so hilly. You will have to go like this. Khatti jo hame kahu na,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Kenti
ma'am.
pura, the entire the roads are like this in circles, and you
means pahad cutting rasta like
हाँ,
that.
हाँ, like that. And the food is amazing. It is a little spicy because as Coorg is famous for spices. Okay, they make some amazing egg burjis and lacha parathas and sabure dekhiba, they will have those curry leaves. कौन कौन थे ओडिया रे ताको भेसुंगा पत्र.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They will in any item they will use a lot of curry leaves, even in egg burji. Okay, they make it very spicy and pura masaledar. Mane you will enjoy the food, the weather, the tea. Anybody who likes tea, to have tea, coffee, you will enjoy
Types
the
of
place.
teas and coffee.
Huh?
Types of teas and coffee.
कौन बुझी पालिनी?
Types of means different types of
Different
tea and
types.
coffee.
Yes. Different types, and the coffee flavor, the coffee, the smell, the flavor, the aroma is so different. It is pure, pure coffee.
And when will be our board exam?
Pure coffee beans or smell. Have you ever smelled?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have smelled.
Yes, so it is like that. An entire place is like, you don't need fans also. It is so cozy and cold, and it is
Yes.
the weather is very beautiful. The weather is very beautiful.
And when will be our board exam?
Okay, who is this Sonia Jain? Okay. So introduction is the same. Okay, this lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Coorg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Okay. So the lesson starts with explaining about, giving a brief about Coorg, and the author is saying that that Coorg is a place very beautiful, that it seems like a piece of heaven that has drifted away from God's kingdom. So the author here is referring or comparing the beauty of this place to God's kingdom, heaven. Okay, so it was that beautiful. And he says that maybe a part of heaven has drifted away from God's kingdom and it has come to earth and settled here. Where it is located? It is somewhere between
Mysore and Mangalore.
Yes, Mangalore. It is an area with low hills of unequal height. Okay, the men are brave warriors. The women of Coorg are very pretty. They're very pretty. This small, their height. They're not, too tall or too short. They are just medium and very cute-looking ladies. All the girls, they're very, very cute. Okay. The place has a variety of wild animals too, also known as Kodagu. It is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. 30% of the area of Coorg is covered with evergreen rainforests, and the place receives rain for most part of the year, especially during the monsoon season. But what I would like to add is that instead of having so much of rain entire year, okay, it does not look dirty. That place is so clean.
They keep the place so clean, it does not look dirty. There are no littering of of what garbage and all the other things. Okay, they're very organized people. And you will get amazing momos also. And nowadays they even make Maggie and different kinds of Maggies and different kinds of cookies and all of that. Okay, so you will have a variety of mane tama taste buds would be very very active in that part. You must sometime in your life visit Coorg to experience this wonderful place and the weather and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Coorg. The weather is pleasant and there is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance of coffee due to the abundant coffee plantations. As I said, the entire place, Coorg, anywhere you go, you will always have that beautiful aroma of coffee beans all the time. And every small like in just five meters or 10 meters distance, you will have a coffee shop, and there would be abundance of coffee. And every second shop would be selling coffee, and they make it very strong, and they have those small steel glasses. Okay, some are using even those, what do you say, those pots, what do I say, say jo kulhad
Kullad.
that also they use, and they do it like this. They they shuffle it like this, the coffee. And
Like lassi.
huh,
I'm like lassi.
yes, like lassi. They, and there's all foam coming up, mane pura se phena sahita se coffee ro ediki choto choto glasses re douthile. And se pura upare pura phena thibo, and it will be so hot je tame pibo jodi tama jibo podijibo, so aram se dekhikina piba ku pade. Okay, so it was like that. And it's very wonderful to see those shopkeepers and those people. Usually there were females also making the coffee, and they'll be doing this pura upporu ette height ru emti pakebe. It would be wonderful to see all that.
Ma'am, like iced tea, something like that they will make.
Iced tea,
Huh? Ma'am,
there's
make
ice, there's iced
Number
tea
we are
also.
talking about coffee.
Cold coffee.
Cold
Yeah,
coffee.
that
Cold
cold
coffee,
coffee iced tea.
I've never come across cold coffee because I personally don't like cold coffee, but they would be serving cold coffee, different varieties of coffee. Okay. And what do I say, you will have a wonderful experience eating the food, even the chicken and all of it. Okay, especially the egg burji, they make it very differently. Like, you won't Ishana must have experience. Do you get a masala egg burji in Chandigarh? Do you used to
Yes, ma'am.
get
Yes, ma'am.
like with capsicum and tomatoes and all of that?
Yes, ma'am. Spicy one.
Like, yes, like
Like
that.
bhujia.
That we make
Yeah.
it in home also like that.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
it would be spicy. Rago thibo tankara sabu jinso tike rago thae Coorg re.
Uh,
Okay, since we know that Coorg is famous for spices, coffee and all that, so they use those, and those spices have a very different aroma because it is all homemade. You know, they make it from their own plantations, so it has a total different taste, different aroma. You even get homemade packets that people take in they buy a lot of it and take back home. You know, I had also got the biryani masala is also very different. It is very different. The biryani
they
masala
make
that we
it
use,
handmade.
yes, everything is handmade. They make it from their own plantations. So the fragrance is also very different. Nowadays, there would be CCDs and all of that opened up. Okay. But the old Coorg was a little different, was a little, hill station kind. Ishana
Yes,
must be Ishana must be a little familiar with the hill station this thing scenario. It was like that. Okay, we'll go ahead. The people of Coorg are believed to be of Greek or Arabic background and are generally ferocious. What do you mean by ferocious?
Like ଟିକେ କଥା ରାଗି ଯିବା.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Agreed.
short-tempered.
Yes. They're very violent also, you can say. Very angry. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing long and black coat with embroidered waist belt known as what?
Kupia.
Kupia. So who can tell me, we have seen this kind of costume worn by an actor in one of his movies.
Bahubali.
No, not Bahubali.
Ma'am, which type of?
This
Ma'am,
long and black
Raj-
coat, looking like a Greek or Arabic.
Ma'am,
Razi.
Hindi or English?
Huh? Ishana?
Ma'am, Razi.
Who?
Ma'am, Razi, Alia Bhatt's movie.
I've not seen that. Pata nahi.
Ma'am,
Yeah, have you seen Ranveer Singh wearing this?
Ma'am, I remember,
ma'am.
but I can't
Panipat.
tell. But
Huh? Kaun kahila?
Ma'am, Panipat.
no, not
No,
that.
not that one.
Ranveer Singh was wearing this, and he was
Yes, ma'am.
he had those
Padmavat.
whole eyes, and
Padmavat.
had those-
Padmavat.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So it would be a similar kind of a costume that they used to wear, and it was known as kupia. The Mughals and Arabics, they used to wear that kind of a costume, a dress. Okay, so kupia is similar to the kufia worn by Arabs and Kurds. It is also rumored that some people of Alexander's army could not return to their homeland and so settled here while returning from the south. The people of Coorg marry each other, and their cultures as well as rituals are very different from the ones followed by Hindus. So so from here we know that Coorg has its own culture, own rituals, okay, which are a little different from the rest of the states in India, and it follows its own rituals. Hello. The people are very welcoming and warm in nature. This is very true. They're always smiling. They are always smiling. They have such a lot of tourists that place is filled with tourists all the time. They do not, they are never irritated. They are always welcoming. Even morning, say from morning 9, you go to them. At night also 9 o'clock you go to them, they have that same welcoming and warm smile on their face. That is so wonderful to see and so appealing. They have that smile going on. They're never irritated, they're never tired. Okay, and they'll greet you so well that you will always want to go to their place.
Ma'am, but the men over there are also short-tempered. So this
Yes.
is contrasting.
No, it is not contradicting, because let me tell you, when do you get short-tempered? When does your temper
When
rise?
we are irritated.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
when
By
we are
something.
irritated.
By something, there has to be an external force to arouse that emotion in you. If सामने वाला अगर कुछ कर नहीं रहा है ऐसा कुछ जिससे आप irritate हो रहे हो, then they will obviously not get angry, isn't it?
Yes,
So they
ma'am.
are actually warm and welcoming people. But if there are people, we know that there are 100 kinds of people and they have a very different kind of nature. So Jodi, if there is someone who's trying to breach into their rituals, or trying to be over smart, or unnecessarily arguments, so say momentary, they will get irritated and they'll be outraged, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
unnecessarily they do
Yes.
not get angry. Unnecessarily they do not get angry. If there is some crime happening, if there is some bunch of boys, they're trying to fool around, or they're trying to
Mock.
mock,
Thieves.
or whatever. they are creating problems for a girl or something, if they see, they'll go and hit them directly. No talking. No talking. They're that hot headed. They're that hot headed. कि जाइकी सीधा दे दियो मुक्का एकदम. Okay, but there has to be an external force. There has to be a reason to arouse that emotion in them. Otherwise, they're very welcoming and very warm in nature. Okay, they always have that smile. Okay, where were we? They are always ready to entertain with stories of their ancestors. This is also very true. And they will not talk to you in Hindi.
English.
Yes, English or their own language.
Mother tongue.
Mother tongue. They will not talk to you in Hindi, no matter
Ma'am,
what.
why maximum South?
This South, yes,
India people
this
do
is
not
a custom in the South that they follow. They do not, accept Hindi as the national language, or maybe what, I don't know, but they will never talk to you. And they are not educated. They are not educated, but they talk good. Commute kariba pai mane jo communicate kariba pai, they talk good English. They know the basic English. And you will think that they are educated, but they're not educated. There are people who have never gone to school also, but they speak such wonderful English, basic English jota. Please come, sit. Yes, we have this. All these basic sentences, they speak very nicely. Okay, so that's how it is. They are known to be independent, ferocious, and brave, which is evident from the fact that the Coorg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. Independent as in not only the men, but also the women. Okay. They are also very independent. You will see old ladies also having small shops in the lanes and on the streets. They will be selling coffee and bread pakoras and all of that. Okay, so they're very hardworking and independent people. Not only the men in the army, but the women also, the local people also. The first chief of the Indian Army named General K. Kohibo eta mate. Shantanu?
General
Cariappa belonged to Coorg. Also, these are the only people permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike others who need a license.
I'm like in Bihar.
Yes. Bihar to gute olga hi mane
country.
Level.
A country in a country like that.
Bihar ଆଉ Coorg ଲୋକଙ୍କର mentality ବହୁତ different.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bihar people, they forcibly engage into fights unnecessarily. They have a different kind of ritual, and ancient India re jemti thila, Bihar is still there. It is not
ma'am, one thing you will tell to them, they will understand. Another thing, they will shoot as another,
okay,
like another thing that
let's not get into that. Otherwise we'll also be beaten up. Okay, so say Jipani, come back to Coorg. So there are people who the local people also, they are permitted to carry firearms, okay, without any license. This, what does it show? That the Kogis are reliable too. Okay, they are reliable people. The evergreen forests and hills of Coorg provide water to River Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large,
I have a doubt that, ma'am, the poet is also telling the peoples of Coorg are very furious, and also telling they have no license but had guns. How is it possible?
They are what?
Ma'am, very furious at the starting. And now he also told that they have guns without license. It may be they can shoot anyone.
And no, they don't need license for that.
Yes.
Government allow them.
Yes.
They have the permission to have those kinds of
means whole state has a license like that they can use guns. All state full area has a license.
लाइसेंस अच्छी गन धरिबा पई माने फायर आर्म्स धरिबा पई, but एठी again the author is also mentioning that the people of Coorg are reliable. They do not misuse it. That means he's telling that they are reliable people, they're responsible people, and they do not misuse it.
Ma'am, say point time
They know how to use resources
Yes,
positively.
yes. They keep it for some keep it for show and
tradition.
tradition
Like
hela
like West Bengal आड़े रखती like खंडा type रखती ये पाए say like that.
like that. Okay,
Ma'am, and he said poet. It is not poet but author.
it is author. Okay. भूल रे कहि देले ना कि शांतनु
He didn't tell me.
Shantanu, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
He
I
didn't
understood.
told it.
Huh?
No, nothing.
ठीक अछि तमे पोएट को ऑथर को मु बुझी जाउची. Okay.
We understand
Yeah.
you.
Okay. The evergreen forests and hills of Coorg provide water to River Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called mahasir is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds. Squirrels and langurs play in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruits, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. The tourists who visit Coorg to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activities available. Like, what are the activities available? Who will tell me?
Mummy.
Say. Here, it is written. River rafting.
Canoeing.
Canoeing.
Rappelling.
Rock climbing, rappelling,
rock
climbing,
climbing,
mountain climbing,
mountain biking,
climbing.
the hills various parts
Trekking.
formed by footsteps of
Yes, trekking. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
has anybody done any one of this?
Nope.
Shubham, Barampur re mountain climbing bhi karna?
Nope.
Arre.
I'm not
Nobody has done any.
Ma'am,
What have you done?
But in future I will do. And
Yes, very
everything.
good. Very good. That's the spirit. In future you will do, but what have you done? Have you done
That-
anything?
Past is past. I have not done anything.
ma'am, I had done it 3 times.
What you had done?
Ma'am, while in Visakhapatnam, while going to the Shiv temple in the mountain that day, and another time while visiting a temple in towards Bhadrabar before 50 kilometers at Chandigarh. There is a temple with all my family members. I tracked over the mountain to see a beautiful place.
So that was a mountain. That was a mountain, or it was a rocky area. It was rock climbing or mountain climbing. Mountain climbing is different.
Ma'am, it may be like rock climbing because there are steps like the pura incline 90 degree hinatla, means tikke dhalan type ro thila, means steps
Okay.
thila chadiya pai.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have also done mountain climbing.
Okay, very nice. You enjoyed doing it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but it was very tiring.
It will be very tiring because when you climb up, it requires a lot of effort and force. Okay, because
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
going away from the gravity. But when you come down, you can run down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You'll run
But
down easily.
we have to
That
run
does not-
properly. Otherwise,
otherwise
you
you'll
will slip
fall.
down.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Very good.
upuruli means jiva sahaja niwa kintu talu asa besi dangerous.
Dangerous. Yes. That is why if you have seen people holding those sticks and going, have you seen? In
Yes, ma'am.
movies? Yes.
Yes.
I'm done in reality.
Oh, you done in reality. Okay. So you found climbing a little difficult, and then coming down, what you did? You ran.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in a balanced manner.
Okay. Good. So the hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who trek there. While taking a walk in their region, one may find a variety of animals around them, birds, bees. Oh wow, this is a wonderful thing. You will have honeycombs, you know, such a lot of bees, and everywhere you'll be
Ma'am,
able to
it's
witness
very
such
dangerous.
big, like you might have never seen those big. Yes, very dangerous, but until you harm them, they will not harm you unnecessarily.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But we have the
So
fear that we may harm them or they may harm us. We have that fear, and
Yes,
that will
ma'am.
not leave. Let us enjoy the full ride or full.
no, the
Ma'am,
birds, you will have a variety of birds you will see there. Okay. I mean, all the time. At night also, you'll be listening to all those sounds of crickets and grasshoppers and, frogs and all kinds of things. All kinds of things, because you will not need a fan there because it's so cold. Okay, there are no fans. Let me tell you, where I stayed, it was a homestay. Okay, and there was not a single fan in that room. That room was so beautifully built, but there was no fan. So entire night I was just listening to all those sounds of crickets and grasshoppers. It was like king 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 all the time.
why, ma'am? Why there were no friends?
No fans because they don't use it. Throughout the year it is raining. And it is always cold. The weather is always cold. They don't need it. They only have lights and no fans. Very it মানে বহুত কম places where you will find
Ma'am,
fans or
it saves
ACs.
the electric bill of them.
Yes, amazing, na? No
Yes, ma'am.
electricity, no, not much of electricity bill that would be, they would be
Ma'am,
paying.
daytime में light bulb भी use होनी किच्छी चली
Yes. Day time रे कौन? Day time भी सेठी तुमको sun भी एते माने ये हुए नहीं. Okay, it is always cloudy and it is always foggy like that.
Yes, ma'am, hilly area.
It is beautiful. You will only want to sleep. शांतनु जब भी कूर्ग जिबा सेठ जाएगी सोई पड़िबो खाली.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Birds, bees, and butterflies fly around you, while squirrels and langurs keep an eye on you from the trees. Wild elephants can also be found in Coorg. To have an overall look at the beautiful city of Coorg, one must climb up to the Brahmagiri hills. Coorg is surrounded by astounding places of beauty like the island of Nisargadhama and Bailakupe, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Tibet ta pura pakhabaki achi. I remember also taking a photo wearing the Tibetan dress also. I have that photo. Okay, they'll give you the costume and they'll take 100 rupees from you and they will pick you like a Tibetan lady, girl or a boy. Okay, they have those beautiful costumes. You can select, you wear it, and then take photos. Like we have in every area. Like when you go to Manali, you can hold those white color rabbits, bunnies, and wear all those accessories and click your photos. Have you seen that?
Yes,
It's the same way. Tibetan costume debe, and you will wear all those hats, caps, or whatever it is called, and it's very beautiful also. Monks wearing red, orange, and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Coorg, where their lifestyle is a fascinating view for the travelers. A mix of diverse cultures can be seen here, which represent the heart and soul of India. So we know that Coorg has a mixed diverse cultures. Cultural diversity bahut achi. There are people from various cultural backgrounds. Okay, still they live in so much of harmony. You hardly see people fighting there, shouting at each other. They're always very helpful. They help you. They're very friendly people also, but they will not talk to you in Hindi. You have to learn their local language, or you have to either talk in English. Even if you start your conversation in Hindi, they will listen to you in Hindi, they will understand, and they will still reply to you in their own language or in English. That means they understand Hindi, okay, but they will not speak. They're that kind of people. Okay, there are some word meanings from
ଯୋଉମାନେ
the
ଜାଣି ବି ଥିବେ ସେମାନେ ବି କହିବେନି।
Yes.
ଯୋଉମାନେ ଜାଣି ବି ଥିବେ ସେମାନେ ବି କହିବେନି।
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we are calling them in Hindi, they will not listen. They will ignore us and they will leave us. Like
No, they will not ignore. They will not ignore, but they will never reply to you in Hindi. Okay,
And
that's
I think it is
the funny thing that
tradition
I saw, and there would be people. Tradition nahi, they very ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ culture କୁ ସେମାନେ preserve କରିବା ପାଇଁ they very headstrong.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that is why South India रे अच्छी है जिनसे जोठी भी तमे जाओ South India रे they will not talk to you in Hindi. Basic जिनसे सेटा. Okay. Question answers मते जल्दी answer करिबो. Okay, next class I'll show you the answers. We just have 5 minutes more, so we'll not go there. Where is Coorg? These are some word meanings. I will send you this. Okay. Now tell me, where is Coorg? Who will answer? Ishana?
Mummy.
Ma'am, Coorg is situated between Mysore and coastal plains of Mangalore.
Okay, good. What is the story about the Kodavu people's descent? Shantanu?
Ma'am.
Second
Ma'am,
question.
Ma'am, the story was according to people beliefs, Alexander army settled in Coorg and started their families. It can found from the tradition and old history.
Okay. Anybody wants to add in?
Ma'am, also they looked like the culture was similar to Arabian also, as the dressing sense was very similar to that of them. They wore a black long coat which had an embroidery waist belt, which was similar to kufia, and the dress was known as kupia. So
Okay, very good. Are some of the things you now know about the people of Coorg? First part.
Ma'am, people of Coorg were very brave.
See, you can refer the slide I have opened up. You can see and refer.
The Indian Army, the Coorg regiment is very famous due to their braveness.
Bravery.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is this? Who is this? That somebody is. Okay. Continue fast.
ma'am, they are ferocious.
Yes. What do you know generally about what has the author generally explained you or shown you a picture of the people of Coorg? I'm
Ma'am,
asking you that.
Ma'am, they are very welcoming, and
Yes.
they always tell the stories. They like to tell about the stories of their ancestors, which are related to their brave incidents. And
Ma'am, only the people of Coorg are allowed weapons without license.
ma'am, they are reliable also. They can
They're
be
reliable.
trusted.
They are known to
And
be
their
independent.
and women are very beautiful, and that place is like heaven, as according to writer.
Place विषय पचारा है ही नहीं ना शांतनु. I'm asking what has the
Kodagu
author.
people.
Yes, the people of Coorg. How are they? Okay. Now you will your task is that you will write all these answers, very short answers, and send it to me by today evening.
Yes.
You are telling yes, but you're not sending anything.
Ma'am, question, ma'am, sir. Screenshot I will take one.
Yes, thinking about the text ro jo portion achi. Okay. You will send it to me by
Yes,
today
ma'am.
evening. Okay. Now second one.
Ma'am, between 9 p.m.
You can send it by 11 also, no problem.
Okay.
I will discuss
But
it in
between
next
12.
class.
Okay.
But between 12.
Okay. As you say, Shantanu.
Ma'am,
ठीक ଅଛି,
according to
ईशान.
me, the peoples in Kurg, means Kurg is like sand. As sand, as मैम sand बहुत शीघ्र गरम हो जाए and शीघ्र फिर cool हो जाए, like that. माने बहुत शीघ्र furious माने हो जाए, then friendly भी हो जाती, like that.
Acha. Okay, good observation. I'll get back to you. Okay, Ishana, the main crop of Kurg.
Ma'am, coffee and
Of
spices.
spices, coffee. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region.
Yes. ma'am.
Okay, Shantanu, the sports it offers to tourists.
Ma'am, the sports are river rafting, rock climbing, mountain climbing,
Canoeing,
canoeing, and raffling.
trekking,
Yes, ma'am,
trekking. Okay, good. Fourth one, do we have others also? We have some more joining with us today.
Yes, ma'am, they are
Prabha.
visiting.
Okay, okay. Okay, next one is the animals you are likely to see in Kurg. The animals that you are likely to see. Shubham,
Ma'am,
the animals that you're likely to see.
yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender loris.
Yes. And birds,
Ma'am,
bees, butterflies, whatever. Okay.
wild elephants
Wild
and
Wild
elephants.
freshwater fishes like
Yes.
Ma'am,
mahasir.
mahasir.
Those are fish.
Yes, ma'am.
Name.
Okay. It's fifth one. It's distance from Bangalore and how to get there. Okay, that is in the book. Do you have your book, Ishana?
Ma'am, not right now.
Okay. Okay, that you will write and send me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rest we will do. I will show you the next class. I will first finish the exercises and then go for the third part of the chapter. Tea from Assam. Okay. Read it.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Go
ଆପଣ
through the
ଆମେ think
chapter.
about it ପଠେଇବୁ ନା?
कौन कहला?
Think about it. Ma'am, think about it.
हाँ, thinking about the text टा मते पठेइबा. Okay. और जदि thinking about language भी कॉल करते मते पठाओ. Next class I'll show you the answers, the correct answers, and first discuss, finish the exercises, and then go to the third part of the chapter. Okay.
Ma'am, एटा भी before time खत्म हो गया.
हाँ, before time on time खत्म हैला, but तारा exercises टा रही गला. I'm
Yes,
sad about that.
2 minutes, just 2
2
minutes ready. Means
Yes.
late.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
ma'am.
Thank you,
evening.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Good evening,
you.
ma'am.
Good
Bye-bye.
evening. Enjoy. Bye. God bless you.